Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that idOS token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, idOS is a decentralized identity and data storage network designed to make users credentials like KYC verification portable and reusable across Web3 applications, particularly for the stablecoin economy. solves KYC reusability solves KYC reusability. It tackles a major onboarding hurdle by letting users verify their identity once and securely share those credentials with multiple apps. Dual layer architectures. It operates via a dedicated storage blockchain for private data and a separate economy network for managing access and payments. Token secures and governs. The native idOS token is used to secure the node network and participate in its decentralized governance. idOS token total supplies 1 billion and circulating supplies around 271.5 million idOS token. idOS token is listed on KuCoin, MEX, BingX and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 75% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.